Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the magical manifestation family. I'm Victoria Maskell. If this is your first video, then welcome. I am a hypnotherapist, master mindset coach, and law of attraction specialist. And I create videos to show you how to use the law of attraction in your life to manifest anything your heart desires. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why affirmations aren't working for you. Now, if you like this kind of content and you want to see more from me, then feel free to hit that subscribe button, become part of my YouTube family, and if you hit the little notification bell, it will let you know when I upload new videos. I'm uploading new content all the time, and if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments section below. So let's dive into today's video. Affirmations. I'm going to show you the 3 reasons why affirmations are not working for you. And let's just get straight into this. The first reason why affirmations aren't working for you is because you don't know how affirmations work. Okay, what do I mean by this? Affirmations are talked about a lot. If you look at the law of attraction space, people talk about using affirmations. But without understanding what they are, how they work, what they actually do, they're just words. So I'm going to tell you, an affirmation is a way of changing your vibration. An affirmation itself is a statement. It's a statement that is going to reprogram your mind. Why is it going to reprogram your mind? It's going to help you to think differently. But the reason an affirmation works is not because you've picked up a phrase that someone has told you has worked for them. It's because it changes how you feel. So with the law of attraction, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get in alignment with the things we want to manifest. What alignment means is being a vibrational match for the things we want. It also means feeling like we already have it, feeling like it would be the easiest thing to manifest. So an affirmation isn't just a phrase. An affirmation is a way of you thinking differently about something. So for example, you might have an affirmation that says, money flows to me easily. Now, to you, you might think that's a really silly phrase because money doesn't flow, money's not water. If you don't understand that that phrase is actually having an impact on your subconscious mind, it's not going to work. The phrase itself does nothing. So what you're trying to do with an affirmation is you are repeating a phrase. What that does is that starts to change your beliefs around that thing. So if you think of, we're going to go into a tiny bit of neuroscience here because this is something I really love and I think it helps you to understand it. If you imagine in our brains, we have neural connections. So we have neural pathways that send each other electrical messages. When you think a thought, you send an electrical message. When you think that thought over and over, you strengthen that message. And our brain loves things that are easy. The more it's strengthened, the faster it is, and the more likely we are to think that way. So if you think a thought, over time, it becomes a belief. And we have beliefs about the things we want to manifest. So we have beliefs about money, we have beliefs about relationships, business, travel, what's available to us as a person, etc. The reason an affirmation works is you're going to say it, you're going to feel it, you're going to repeat it, and that is going to start to change your neural pathways. It's going to start to change the way you think. That is why an affirmation works. Now, if you didn't know that, if you didn't understand the scientific process or you didn't understand it in some spiritual way, it's not going to work for you because it's just words. So the second reason why affirmations don't work for people is because they're saying them wrong. When we use affirmations in the future tense, we are making a mistake. So have a think about some of the affirmations you've been using. You need to make sure that they're in the past tense or the present tense. And this is all to do with your subconscious mind. So your subconscious mind doesn't understand the concept of future. So if you said to yourself, next year I am going to win £1 million, your subconscious is like, okay, cool. Win £1 million and that's going to happen in the future. Great. So I don't have to deal with that now. I don't have to take actions on it now. The future never happens for the subconscious. It never occurs. So it's like you're always putting it on a waiting list. You're always putting that thing you want to manifest on pause. Whereas when you use an affirmation that says, I have £1 million, or I have my dream partner, or I get to live the life of my dreams here and now, it's completely different. You're actually saying it's now. You're not putting it on pause. You're using an affirmation that activates action. It activates a feeling of, oh my goodness, this is actually going to happen for me. And it starts you to take actions. Because remember, with the law of attraction, there's got to be action. Law of attraction is not just about going, I'm going to ask for something, I'm going to believe it's possible, I'm going to sit back. We have to take action because we are conscious creators of our reality. Now, the third reason that affirmations are not working for you is because you're using the wrong ones for you. Now, people ask me all the time, what are my favorite money affirmations? What are my favorite affirmations for manifesting love or manifesting a dream job? And I do have some favorites, which I will put on the screen at the end of this video, but it's not about having the best affirmation that's talked about on YouTube or that's talked about on the internet. Because the point of an affirmation is that it activates a positive feeling in you. So if you read an affirmation and it falls flat, if you read an affirmation, you think, that's not how I would say it, that's not the language I would use, it's not going to work for you. An affirmation needs to activate those positive emotions, activate that excitement, activate that joy. In the same way that if you don't really want to manifest something, it's not going to manifest. If, let's say you were told that, you should be doing something, you should be going for a different job, you should be looking for an amazing partner, or you should be looking to do more with your life. If you don't want to do it, it's not going to manifest because your heart's not in it. And often with affirmations, people are using phrases based on things they think they should have. That pressure to be doing a certain thing in your life or being a certain way or having a certain thing. If you're using affirmations around those things, it's not going to work because it's not activating positive feelings and positive emotions in you. So they're my 3 tips, but what can you do about it? Okay, so number 1, you now know how affirmations work, so you're equipped, you can activate your affirmations, you can actually understand the process. This is important because your subconscious mind is going to get on board. Consciously you understand, and now subconsciously you're starting to rewire your beliefs around affirmations. On top of this, you can actually look at any affirmations you've been using in the past, making sure they don't contain any negative words, making sure they don't have any future tense in them, that they're in the present or that they were written in the past or about the past. So like, I manifested my dream partner, for example. So manifested being past tense. But also, you're gonna search for affirmations that activate that fire within you. When you read them, you're like, oh my God, yes, this is what I want, this is what I'm calling in. And when you've done that, you're gonna use your affirmations. You're gonna repeat them. I use specific tools and techniques with my affirmations, and if you wanna know about those, drop me a message in the comments and I can create a video on that. But hopefully this has given you insight into affirmations. You can go forth and manifest. Now, if you've got any more questions about affirmations, then drop me a comment in the comments section below. I hope you've loved this video. Happy manifesting, and I will see you all in the next video.